Hello, good morning. You're watching Market Cafe on ET Now, and I'm Vinny Motiwala. Let's get started with what happened in the global world and what is actually the handover that we're getting. Do not forget, yesterday the US markets were closed, but this morning when we're seeing in terms of the US futures that are trading, a slight bit of an uptick, little unchanged type of a move that we're seeing for the US futures. So S&P 500 futures, they've little unchanged on the Wall Street, keeping an eye out on that. The previous trading session, we've surely seen them hit those record high levels, especially Nvidia, which made a sharp up move that was leading to a better move for Nasdaq. That was day before yesterday that we saw. Now yesterday, what we saw in terms of Asian markets, actually this morning, let's talk about how that opened up. Yes, we did have the China data that started coming in, but other than that, ASX 200, Nikkei as well as Shanghai seem to be a bit flattish in trade. ASX 200 is down almost 0.04%, Nikkei down 0.8% in trade, while Shanghai is also trading a bit with the negative bias. So yes, not much of an excitement that we are seeing today coming in overall from the Asian markets as of now. I'm going to just read the data that came in from the China front. Now, the China's one-year low in prime rate, they've kept it unchanged at 3.5%. The estimate was also that much. Similarly, the 5-year loan prime rate also has remained unchanged at 3.95%. When you're looking at it in terms of Yuan, the Chinese Yuan, that has seen a drop, and that's the weakest that one has seen the Chinese Yuan trading at amid the strong dollar. Dollar started strengthening, China's Yuan has been started seeing a bit of a pressure there, and obviously this is all related to the data points that have been coming from China. So it's going to be interesting to see how we see Indian markets also open up in trade. As of now, Nifty implied open surely indicating a bit of a muted start, and let's not forget, Nifty has snapped its 5-session gaining streak yesterday. So today will be interesting to see. Yesterday was a bit of a flip-floppy day that we saw coming in for the Nifty. So let's keep an eye out on that front from a global market point of view, Asian market point of view. As of now, when you talk about it, it's a bit of a muted start because even European markets, they were also quite a mixed of a close that they had yesterday. So interesting to watch out for how the Indian markets will open up. But let's move on and talk about Brent crude oil. What is that doing in trade? When you're looking at Brent crude oil prices have seen a bit of a rise coming in, and after that it's become a bit of a flat line right now. Brent crude oil trading at $85 per barrel mark, WTI crude oil trading at $81.35 per barrel mark. Let's not forget what we saw as a rise coming in for Brent crude oil in an early morning trade was mainly because of Israel-Gaza issues that have been going on, and because of that, a bit of the tension again comes up, and that's what swells up the prices sometimes. So we're keeping an eye out on Brent crude oil prices, where they shape up because of the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. That's a key area that we've always spoken about. So that continues to be a bit of a concern for the Brent crude oil prices moving upwards for anyone and any country that is going to be buying Brent crude oil. Other than that, let's look at the gold prices. Well,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.